Rhok!
Today we're going to be installing a pretty big item here on the WR. Going to be installing these fork bleeders from Motion Pro or Micro. Let's start with an unboxing. Let's find out what all comes in this kit. Okay, it appears we have a fork bleeder and another fork bleeder. For this project, we're going to need the following tools. Flathead screwdriver. To start, we will take off the old non-bleedable fork bleeding things. Yes, you can hear air escaping. There's the stock factory one, and here is the new kind. Now it is secure. Now we will repeat for the second side. Alright, it looks like we're done. I hope you guys are able to follow along through that.
Get brave!